Hi guys, welcome to the Gadget Show Tech. I'm just got this coffee machine. I thought I would show you how to use the Bosch Tassimo. Okay, now you switch this on, it will give you some light checks, and one of them will be about having the rear water container full up. You need the water in there. This needs a little tap down. So that's all on, because otherwise the red light will stay on. Now that it's full up, I'm all good. Now this does different size cups. You can put a big mug in there, a big tall 440 or what have you. And I've got my mug, which fits on there fine. If you've got even shorter cup, you can adjust that even higher, which is pretty good. So there you go. Right, now that I've got my cup in place, I'm going to fill and put the capsule in. Now these capsules are a bit curious, because do you peel that off? No, you keep all the foil on, keep it intact, and then that goes in upside down, because it needs to pierce into the foil on here. And you need to basically put the lip, the little handle, in this gap. Okay, and then when you close it, it's not just pressing on the top there. You then need to lower down and hit this clip here. And now we're on OK for green. You can start your drink. Press the button. Now I'm going for this Americano here. Quite a good one really. As you can see, I already had a cup of coffee this morning. Right, so it's putting the water in, heating it up. See how quick that is? That's already coming out. Well, a little bit. See, that's quite quick. Literally, you know, you can make a coffee in under a minute. Good thing with these things, they are sustainable for the environment and the climate, because it only uses the amount of water you need for your drink. It's not heating any excess water, so it saves on energy, and you're environmental friendly as well. Now these capsules are recyclable. If you keep them in a bag, you can take them to a recyclable centre that the details will be on the Bosch Tassimo page of how to contact them for getting them recycled. Okay, this might take just over a minute, but I mean it's close. You know, so in the morning, you know, you just tuck that on while you get something to eat, and you can come back to it and it's all there ready. Looking nice, a little bit of froth on it. Okay, well thanks for watching, subscribe. If you want to check out the video on this, that's on there. And my other devices that I've had. Thank you for watching.